So let's talk about making your website sticky. Have you ever browsed the website, clicked away to look at something else, and noticed that the ads from the first website seem to follow you around, almost like they're sticking to you and they're everywhere you look? This is the power of retargeting and remarketing. Let's use the nDemand website as an example. Say, for instance, you go out and you're researching nDemand consulting. You're looking through the website, you notice a few things, you clicked on a few things, looked at some case studies. Okay, now you decide you're going to click away. Let's say you go out to Politico and you're looking at an article in Politico. And you're scrolling down and you're looking and you're reading what's on Politico, and then all of a sudden you start seeing in-demand consulting ads popping up. This is retargeting and remarketing. Okay, so you leave Politico and you go out to Forbes. You start seeing those ads there as well. This is what we mean by making your website sticky, so that it follows your consumer around, so that they're constantly being reminded about your great services and your products. So why is this important? It would be ideal if customers always engaged and made purchases on their first visit to your site. However, we all know that that is not always the case. That's where retargeting and remarketing becomes vital. Retargeting and remarketing ads can substantially increase total website conversions by targeting relevant previous users. So how does this work? First, you will need to design your campaigns. Here are some examples. Campaigns can be designed in all shapes and sizes, and it's best to design a variety of them to fit different websites. Be sure that your campaigns are designed with your target audience in mind. The most effective marketing campaigns leverage the power of audience segmentation. Relevance is important to consumers, so think strategically about what type of ads and information you want them to see. Call to actions within your design are also important. When a customer clicks on your ads, what is it that you want them to do? Make a purchase, opt into a service, get more information, connect with someone from your company for a consultation? It's important to remember that benefit-driven messages and clear call to actions are essential to healthy conversion rates. Once your ad is designed and you decide exactly who you want to target and communicate with, code is generated for your website. Like this. The rest happens automatically. This little piece of code will track people who visit your site by placing anonymous cookies in their browsers. That enables you to follow the crumbs and display remarketing ads to your visitors long after they leave your site. Essentially, you're marketing to warm leads. By staying in front of your audience across the web, your brand is always top of mind. So how do you track all this? Remember the code you placed in your website footer? Here? That code is key to tracking your site's activity, ad placement, and conversions. From that code, you can generate reports like this. From here, you can track your campaign by name, ad placements, exactly where your ad has been placed. You can track your spend and your impressions, all from that one code. The great thing is that this process is great for helping you evolve your products and services. You can always learn from your customers. Test ad variations by changing the color, the call to actions, the text, the images to determine what appeals to your audience. Use the results to guide the design of future ads so that you can better appeal to customers and increase conversion rates.